Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add money to your Monese account using a debit or a credit card. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open your Monese account, and on the home page you will see your balance and also this little add money button. If you tap on the add money button, it will open up the add money section. And here you will have three options. I have videos explaining all the three options, but now let's focus on the instant top-ups using debit card or credit card. You have to tap on it, and then it will open up this page. Now, one thing that you have to know is that you can add a maximum of 500 euros using this method. If you are from the US, it's probably going to be in US dollars, and it's about 600 US dollars. So that's the maximum amount that you can add at the beginning using your debit card. And then obviously you will have to tap on the add debit card. Here you will have to add the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code, and then it will automatically top up your Monese account with the payment, and the payment is going to be received from your debit or credit card just as a normal payment, just as if you bought something. And you can also use NFC to top up your Monese account. If you turn on NFC and your phone supports NFC contact, then you can just tap your card to your phone and you can top up your Monese account. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.